welcome to the apartment. Okay, so this is what the apartment looks like. To this side we have, I don't know what this flat is being called, but they're really cute. And then we have this really nice mirror. I like it when there are mirrors in apartments, guys. And this place, whatever this is, it's cute. Okay, what is okay. Probably just a stool. Yeah, probably just a stool. This smells really nice. We have dried plants. Yeah, dried flowers. It smells really nice. Can you see? It smells nice. Okay, so let's see what we have here again. This is my box actually. Here we have. Come on. What's it? Oh, this is a storage room. Yeah. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Oh. We have cooking gas, the extractor. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna cook some dishes. Okay, so the pots. Alright, so just cooking stuff. Okay, we can cook this. Oh, goodness. That's hot water. And we have plates. Alright. So what do we have here? We have cups. No bad. And here we have. Okay. Nothing much here. This is the microwave. This is the oven. Okay. And we have the refrigerator. How is it nice? Wow. Okay, yeah, so this is the kitchen. I think this back door leads to the swimming pool. I don't know what it said, this back door leads to the pool. I'm not going to show you guys later how it works. Alright, so let's see. Let's go to the room. Let me show you the room. Okay. Okay. Now this is what the room looks like. We have this beautiful frame here. Okay, this is the bed, of course, as you can see. We have the wardrobe. This is like the wardrobe, I guess. The wardrobe. We have a TV. We have what we can ankle. We have some shelves. We have this really cute chair. The TV. Okay. If that's high lamp, of course. Life's good. Life's good. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Oh well. Okay, so this is the bedroom. It's not completely bad, honestly. It's not completely bad. This is my sister. Say hi to the camera. What's your name? Fatia. This is my personal assistant, okay? Alright, so let's move to the sitting room. Okay, so this is the sitting room and we have this really cute sofa here. Is it comfortable?
It's so soft.
It's so soft. Alright, so this is the sofa. We have this really cute frame here. And yeah, I also this remote, this curtain. Is it curtain? It's an automated curtain that you use the remote to control it. So where's the remote? Okay, try. This is for the TV. This is for the GSTV. Okay, so let's see. It should be. No? Is there any other remotes there?
What about this remote?
We have this really cute lamp. We have this plant here. Oh,
Wow.
top life gang.
Netflix. I would love to watch Netflix.
Top life gang.
Okay.
Top life gang. Maybe you should not go home today. Shall you stay here with me? Maybe you should stay here with me. Okay, so this is what the sitting room looks like. Okay, I don't know why my camera is really dark, but we have this dining section over here as well, which is really nice. Okay, this is the dining section, and yeah, we have this frame. This is what it looks like basically. That's my sister chopping the life of her head. We have this center table and this really cute decor on it. You can see, really nice. And the console, you know, it's just really nice in general. I think I like the aesthetic and I like the vibe it's giving. We also have another toilet here. This is the visitor's toilet. Okay. Really nice in general. What else is here? This is basically here, and yeah, just came in like right now, and yeah, this is the sitting room. This is the main sitting room. This is the dining area, and that's like the sitting room. Let me show you what the kitchen looks like. Okay, this is what the kitchen looks like, and it's absolutely beautiful. I think I love it. Okay, we have the refrigerator, the oven, the microwave, and the gas cooker. I'm not gonna cook. Okay, this is the dining area. This is the sitting room, and that's my sister. Say hi to the camera. But it's really dark.
Hi guys. Okay, I need to search her name now. The YouTube. I want to watch a channel. Let's see. Addition. Okay.
Why is it taking forever? Be fast now.
Okay, I found it. Okay, found it. 8.6K subscribers.
Okay, yeah. So this is the visitor's bedroom. Okay. Okay. And lastly, let me show you what the room looks like. Yeah, this is the room. This is the bed. There's a TV in the room, the AC, the wardrobe, and wardrobe, yeah, console or whatever this is. But we have the major wardrobe, another wardrobe here, and I really love how minimal and how aesthetic pleasing this is. And then there's another mirror here. This is where you can take a shower. To take a shit, of course.